Hi guys, I'm Annie Casey and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing Louis Vuitton unboxing collection Spring-Summer 2022. I'll be honest with you, this package has been sitting in my closet for a few weeks now, and I'm so excited to open everything with you. If you are into high-end fashion as much as I am, then you probably know that House of Louis Vuitton just recently did a fashion show featuring their Cruise 2022 collection at Salk Institute in San Diego, where I live. I watched the live show and it was something else. Also, before I start this unboxing, I want to say thank you to Esmeralda, who is client advisor at Louis Vuitton Fashion Valley in San Diego, for working with me and for helping me with all of my orders. I have a total look here, everything from Louis Vuitton news, accessories, shoes, to clothing items. I got my Dirty Martini here, my favorite drink at the moment, and I'm ready to start this unboxing. I want to start with the smallest package. A little cute pouch, and inside Louisette macro earrings. These two-tone earrings made out of gold and silver metals. They are in the shape of iconic Louis Vuitton monogram flowers, and on the petal tip there is engraved LV logo. Mine are oversized. The collection presents them in several different colors and sizes. Then next, I would like to open this package right here. You're probably guessing what's inside, don't you? Beautiful case. And this is LV Moon Square sunglasses. Ta-da! The collection also has these sunglasses in cat-eye and rectangular shape. Mine are oversized because I haven't had square sunglasses in my collection till this pair, so I'm so excited. So chic. They are engraved with 5 flower signature. A little compliment. Thank you to Esmeralda. She put together a little perfume samples for me. So excited to try them out. Next, I would like to open this package. Of course, Louis Vuitton presentation is exceptional. I'm obsessed, you guys. These are Louis Vuitton Moonlight ankle boots. They made out of patterned calf leather with silver toned metal details like logo up here and a zipper details. These fashion-forward, modern-style boots have an open toe and a square heel. These shoes were the statement shoe of Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2022 fashion show. Maybe let's open some clothing pieces, shall we? Cape sleeve crop top. This crop top made out of Louis Vuitton iconic technical jersey for a sportwear feel. It has LV tag down here that adds activewear aesthetics, and on the back there is monogram canvas zip pull that adds a classic touch. The cape sleeves add feminine touch to the silhouette. I'm so excited to style this piece. So I was thinking what can go really well with this crop top, and when I open the next package you will understand my outfit. This is a lot of Louis Vuitton. I'm so happy. So these are LV Night denim mini shorts. These retro mini shorts are a part of LV Night capsule. They are made out of organic cotton. They have exposed zipper that has a monogram canvas zip pull in black and white. And on the back there is leather LV patch that adds a contrast to a waistband. They are so hot. And just guess what have I left you for dessert? Or maybe myself, I would say. Any ideas? Come on. Cannes handbag. This handbag made out of a white calfskin pattern leather with a red patch on top. It has matte black zipper with matte black lock and a key. Oh, how sick is this? Wow, amazing. Be cute. So it also has monogram canvas on the top handle and adjustable shoulder strap. And on the inside, there is a monogram print. I'm so in love with this little baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!